Welcome to my channel. Today we study about objectives, types, questions for foundation course of CS, CMA or CS. First question. Purchase of drugs for business purpose is to be debited to first option A. Personal account, B. Purchase account, C. Vehicle account, D. Drawing account. Answer goes to option D. Drawings accounts. Question number 2. Business entity concept is not applicable to A. Public company, B. Partnership, C. Private company, D. Sole proprietor. Answer goes to option D. Sole trade. Third question. The founder of Tata Group company Jamshedji Tata died in 1904, but Tata companies are still working. This example depicts which of the following concept? A. Going concern concept, B. Business entity concept, C. Neutrality convention, D. None of the above. Answer goes to option A. Going concern concept. Question number 4. What is deferred revenue expenditure? Option A. The benefit of which is only within the financial year. Option B. The benefit of which covers more than one financial year. Option C. The benefit of which is for lifetime of the company. Option D. None of the above. Answer goes to option B. The benefit of which covers more than one financial year. Question number 5. Contra entries are those entries which are related to A option cash and bank, B cash only, C bank only, D none of the above. Answer goes to option A, cash and bank. Sixth question. Goods withdrawn by a proprietor for personal use will be debited to option A. Sales account, B. Goods account, C. Drawings account, D. Purchase account. Answer goes to C. Drawings accounts. Seventh question. Trading account is prepared by merchandising concern, firm providing services, C. manufacturers, D. none of these. Answer goes to option A. Merchandising concerns. Question number 8. Bank overdraft facility is not normally possible for A. Saving account holder, retiring deposit account holder, current account holder, both A and B. Bank overdraft facility is given only current account holder. So answer goes to option D, A or B. Saving account holders और रिटर्निंग डिपॉजिट होल्डर्स को बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट की सुविधा नहीं दी जाती है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. When the total of trial balance does not tally, the difference is taken as option A. Suspense account, B. Profit and loss account, C. Errors account. D. Difference account. So option goes to A. Suspense account. Question number 10th. Which of the following statement is correct? Increase in honors, capital R debit, decrease R credits. Option B. Increase in liabilities are credits, decrease are debits. C. Increase in assets are debits, decrease are credit. Option D. Both B and C are correct. पहला ऑप्शन तो बिल्कुल ही गलत है, क्योंकि इंक्रीज इज ऑनर क्रेडिट होना चाहिए और डिक्रीज आर डेबिट. सो ऑप्शन बी और सी राइट आंसर है, इसलिए आंसर गोज टू ऑप्शन डी. बोथ बी एंड सी आर करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11th. An amount of ₹20,000 withdrawn by the owner for personal use was debited to trade expenses. Which one of the following will be the rectification entry? Option A. Trade expenses account here to cash account. Option B. Drawing account here to cash account. C. Drawing account here to trade expenses account. D. None of these. Answer goes to option C. Drawing account here to trade expenses account. क्यों? क्योंकि wrongly जनरलाइज कर चुके हैं हम, और इसे जब हम रेक्टिफाई करेंगे तो ड्राइंग्स डेबिट होना चाहिए, उसे डेबिट पे डाल दिया जाएगा, और रॉन्गली ट्रेड एक्सपेंसेस को डेबिट किया गया है, जो बढ़ा हुआ है उसे घटाने के लिए हमें क्रेडिट करना होगा. सो दैट आंसर गोज टू ऑप्शन सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. फर्नीचर परचेज फॉर ₹5,000 from SETI was recorded in purchase book. Which one of the following will be the rectification entry? First है furniture account DR to purchase account. B है sales account DR to SETI account. C है SETI account DR to furniture account. D none of the above. Answer goes to option C. SETI account DR to furniture account.